welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I just want to say we are nearly at 50k subscribers. I am so excited. Thank you for all the support everyone's been giving me recently. I appreciate every single one of you. But yeah, let's get straight into this video. So today I'm just gonna vlog my day, just because I feel like vlogging my day. You know, it's just a vlogging day. I'm not even doing much, but I just feel like I want to be behind the camera. So first of all, this video is sponsored by SVT Hair, and they sent me a frontal and 3 bundles. Everything was 16 inches. I used 1 bundle and 3/4. So I have 1 bundle left and like a little bit of hair, and this is the packaging that it came in. So my plan for this hair, I really want to do this look. Obviously I was watching videos, yeah guys, and everyone is cutting the hair off their head, like on a mannequin, but I've already stuck down my wig, so at this point I'm just gonna have to try cut it on my head again. So first, let me just brush my hair out. So the frontal was not pre-plucked one bit, so I did have to pluck it. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like after. It took me about an hour to pluck this, just to make sure that it was right. So first of all, I'm going to use my hot comb and just flatten the front parts of my hair. This hot comb is like very old, by the way. Most people have a hot comb that's like electric. No, I put this on the stove and I heat it up and then I use it. One thing I do wish though, I wish that this frontal was longer because the parting is too short. Anyways, after I take the hot comb off the stove, I just literally put it on this towel so I don't burn my hair. Sometimes if it does get too hot, I just run it under the cold tap. Right, so now that's done. So now I'm going to separate the hair into 2. I saw people doing this on YouTube, so I don't know if this is even going to work. So I want the hair to be behind my ear when I cut it. I think I want it this short. I don't know how this is going to turn out, to be honest. Right, now I'm just going to go in for the kill. Now I'm just going to go in for the kill. I don't know how to do this. This is not straight. Yeah, it's alright. But I want it shorter. I want it shorter, so what do I do now? This is cute. Shall I go shorter? Do you know what? Let me not be too greedy. Let me just cut this side first. I'm going to cut it on top of the hairband. With this, yeah, I need to take my time because I'm trying to rush. Guys, I think this side's shorter. This is really bad. I don't like this. I want to go shorter. I don't want it to touch my shoulders 1%. That was the most stressful 15 minutes of my life. I don't even know if it's straight. When I straighten it now, it's not going to be the same length. So I'm always going to wear this behind my ear. But it doesn't matter because I'm always going to have it behind my ear, so it doesn't matter. It's not bad, it's not bad. It's actually not bad. Okay, next side. Guys, my camera died when I was filming my hair. The last thing that I used was this. Got to be blasting spray.
What happened? Jet to be.
Yeah, so I just used that. And Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle. Do you get it? Bob. This is a Bob.
Bob.
Oh, I'm so funny.
Boga is your auntie.
We're just gonna go Westfield, do some shopping.
Because we are Westfielders. People who like shopping a lot in Westfield are called Westfielders.
Wow, that's a new one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Say hi.
Go for your Boga out here. Come on.
Where's my stuff? Oh, you guys are so cute.
See what's there? Guys, have fun though. Take care.
Bye. See you later.
Sweet.
So we went shopping.
You went shopping, I don't buy anything.
Yeah, with his card. Where we going now to eat? I've not had that. We had that last week. I'm not gonna lie.
Last week?
We definitely had that. Yeah, we definitely had that last week.
2 days ago. Where was it? Was it? Oh, was this one as well?
Say hi. Yeah, it was this one. I saw you with someone. Elton. Why are you always dancing? What are you eating there? Those or whatever. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog now. We were literally taking pictures and we met these beautiful ladies. Not you, babe.
Okay.
And we met these beautiful ladies. It's not a picture, it's a video.
No problem.
Huh?
I'm gonna follow you on Instagram today. Like, August, you don't propose to, I'm coming for you. You need to put the ring on it. She's beautiful. Look her body. Look her. Yeah, tell your backside, man. Look at that.
Yeah.
You need to propose to her. What are you waiting for?
Good.
It doesn't matter. I want a baby.
Are you ready for baby, mister?
So guys, as I was saying, I was
recording?
literally taking pictures, yeah. But I think we're gonna go now. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Share the video.
Yeah, share the video. If you guys like this hair, go in the description box. Everything will be down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Peace out.